What's up, guys? Hope you're all doing great. Today I'm going to show you how to get anime clips for free for your edits. A lot of people ask me, bro, where do you find your anime clips and raw footage for editing? Well, don't worry, I've got you. First, let me make this clear. I'm talking about raw anime clips or episode footage, not flow frames, Twixtor, or AI-generated clips. So keep that in mind. Okay, here's how you can find them. First, open my Telegram channel. You'll find the resources there that you can use to get the clips you need. Just find the anime or episode you're looking for and download it. I'm not sharing the direct source here because the availability and usage rights of these files can vary, and I don't want to direct viewers to potentially unauthorized sources. And that's it. Alright guys, that's it for today's tutorial. I hope this helped you out. Let me know in the comments what tutorial you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.